Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on text call on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So text call transforms how you answer your phone calls. So instead of picking up with your voice, you can type out your response and your phone will speak it aloud to the caller in real time. So let me show you how to turn this on and let me show you a quick demo of it. So first you want to go ahead and open up the call app. Next tap on the three dots, then tap on settings. Now from here, you want to go ahead and find text call. Here, go ahead and turn this feature on. Now down below here, you can choose what language you want it in. You can choose different languages as well, like Hindi, Spanish, Thai, Chinese, and all of these other languages which you can download as well. Next, you want to go ahead and choose your voice. So you have different voices and you can change the speed rate. Next, you can go ahead and choose quick responses. And then you can go ahead and choose if you want to hear the other person's voice. So here we'll go ahead and create a call. So to turn on a text call, you want to go ahead and make a call and then tap on call assist, then tap on text call. This will now start to hear your voice and will basically relay it to the other person in a voice assistant voice. So here I'll go ahead and type in my response. Hi, how are you? So this is what the other person will hear on the other line. I am good, thank you. And this is what the other person has responded. So as you can see, all the responses and the messages you receive are from the call itself. So instead of picking up the call, you can just go ahead and create a text call. So this is ideal for situations where speaking isn't possible, like meetings, noisy environments, or quiet places. It gives you more control over your responses and lets you stay engaged without needing to talk. You have great accessibility tool for those with speech or hearing difficulties. So it basically turns your phone into a real-time text interpreter for calls, blending voice and messaging seamlessly. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on the text call on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.